Good morning, you guys. I have a charge nurse shift this morning, so let's drive to work together. Pretty sure I should be charged in my home unit today. I feel like the last several shifts I have been in every other ICU but my own, which is fine. I honestly don't really mind floating to other ICUs. I feel like I've been at my job long enough that I just know people wherever I float to. I've floated to these units before, so it's like not as big of a deal to me anymore. I remember when I first started in the ICU and I would float to other places, it would always really stress me out. And I really don't ever have to float to tele or med surge. I'm usually floating to like critical care transport or to other ICU. But I'm excited to be in my home unit today. You know what's kind of a hard thing about being a nurse that I don't feel like a lot of people talk about? It's the fact that most of us work in the area that we live in. And so that means ultimately over time you're going to take care of people that you either know or that you know have friends that know or family that know, and it makes things very personal sometimes and more emotional. A nurse messaged me on here or one of my social media saying that she works in a really small town, which means that she like takes care of a lot of the people that she knows, and how that's just like really traumatic and heavy, which yeah, it'd be very traumatic and heavy for me too if every single day I was like taking care of somebody that I knew or that somebody else knew. And even though it's extremely hard and heavy, I don't think there's any better people that we can take care of than the people that we know or love. There's no better way to use your nursing skill set than to take care of someone super well that means something to you, but that still doesn't mean that it makes it any easier. I'm so excited. I partnered up with Mel from Mel's Crafty Corner, and she's the one who made this shirt. She makes so many awesome nursing shirts, and I pretty much only wear her stuff. But I actually designed my own design for a t-shirt for my ICU, and so we're doing like a really big group order, and we're all gonna have like the same shirts, and I am so excited. Maybe I'll share like a little sneak peek of the graphic that we designed. I drew up like the rough draft of it, and then Mel obviously like perfected it and made everything just that much better. But I'm really excited. I have never actually designed a shirt before for like our ICU, and we've had like jackets done. Like this jacket I've literally had for probably 7 years, but we've never done like nursing shirts, and so I'm super excited. I know Mel will be kind of like sharing the process of designing these shirts and getting them out to everybody, and so if you are interested in seeing her stuff, go follow Mel's Crafty Corner. I'll tag her in this video. Also, I have a discount code with her. If you do end up buying something, I think it saves you like 10% or so, I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure the code is Ashley Atkins. I will confirm that and I will put the code here. Okay, I've made it to work, so I am gonna go in there and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.